Hey everyone, welcome to the first first ever Web Dev Week. I think digital. Okay, so this event over here is brought to you by like all the members of the web domain. So they've all like taken up a topic specific to the domain, be it professional or even like something like a time pass topic or a soft skill topic. They're here to teach you topics about them. And for today, we have Krishna, who's going to teach you about some advanced CSS topics. Okay, so Krishna, you can start.
Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Krishna, and I'm very happy to see all of the domains are here. Machine learning, media, even web people are here. And Priyanshu, which domain are you? Hello Priyanshu.
App domain.
Yeah, app good. So let us start our session and let me share my screen. Yeah, can everyone see my screen? Is my screen visible to everyone?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, okay. Let's create a file name. Okay, let me give some introduction about advanced CSS. Actually, you will see some animations and those type of things in websites. Like if you hover something, the color of the button will change. If you take an Amazon website, if you hover on some movie, automatically the trailer of the movie will be running, right? So those type of things, not that much, we will see similar to those ones. Actually, there are three types: animations, transitions, and transforms. These three things will help us to see some animation type of things in our website. So let us start our session with first animation. Animation. Okay, and this is the basic HTML template. Here you can give the title of your website. I will give animation pieces to go live. Okay, yeah. So my Google Chrome tab is visible to you. Hello, hello, Kunal.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, Varun, is my Google Chrome tab is visible?
No, no, no.
Yeah. Okay, okay. I will share entire screen. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, you can see here title as animation CSS, which I have set here. Animation CSS, the same. Okay, and let's start with our animation CSS. So first in body, we will take a div container, div of class container. And inside this, we will take another div element of, let it be class okay. Okay. Inside div element you have to class of, let it be something td. Inside this, we will create a box. Let me write I am a box. First box. If you go here and if you refresh this page, Okay. Div container, div class td. The box. Okay, let me define this height and width of this. Let me go and include style, and let me go and include the dot container. So I am accessing the container in this container element. Let's give height as some 400 pixels, and let me give width as 400 pixels. And in the same case, we will give the class of PD. Okay, let's remove here. From here, you can give the size of the box here. And you can see here first box. Everyone is clear with this?
Yeah.
And you can give some color also, background color. Let's use some background color as green, and you can see clearly I have mentioned distance 400 pixels, and you can see, notice here there is a slight gap here, white color here and this side. For these things you can remove margin for everything, like we use star, and if you keep margin 0 pixel as well as padding 0 pixel, you control the save. Now there is no gap, no white color, you can see. And if you want to bring this first box text at the middle, like which is the corner, so it's not looking nice, you want this to bring at center of the box. So let's make the container as flex container. Hello, till here you have any doubts or should I continue? Till here everyone is clear, right?
Yeah, clear, bro.
You can make it as, like in TD only we will make it as display flex. And we have two more properties: align item as center and justify content center. Save. You go and you can see first box is at exactly center of this box. And now we will see some animation type of things, like which we normally see. Let us go. And in TD, let me give animation name. For defining an animation, you have to give, for accessing the element, you have to give an animation name. Animation name. This is the property. VS Code will automatically suggest you many things, so there is no need to mug up everything. Just you need to have a basic idea. Let us give animation name as webweek underscore week. So giving the animation name, you can directly access this element by keyframe. There is a predefined name as keyframes, which we will use at the rate keyframes, and in this you have to give your animation name like web underscore week. Automatically this element will start. So for this what you want to do. Animation, like animation will move, right? Animation will move from one place to another. So from where to where? So you have two elements from. Another one is to. From where to where you have to move your box, or from where you have to move till where. So let me take width of 200 pixel and till from here to take width 1000 pixel. Control S for save. So go here and refresh it. Okay, we have to give two more properties by giving the name. After giving the name, you have to give animation duration till how much time it should run. Like it can't run animation duration. How much time it should run? We will give it like 3 seconds. And in the same way, how many times it should run? Animation iteration. Iteration count. How many times it should run? We will give it like 5. Control S for save. You can see it's going from 200 pixel to 1000 pixel. Is everyone clear with this? Display flex thing. Hello? Someone is saying display. Yeah, Ragul?
No, bro, clear.
Like you want me to explain this display flex?
No.
Are you clear with display flex, or should I tell what is display flex means?
Yeah, clear, bro.
Okay. So basically, if you refresh, it will go till 3 times. 1, 2. Okay, let it continue. 3. Okay, I have given 5 items of 4 and 5. After that, it will stop automatically. So sometimes you want it to go till infinite times. Like you don't want to stop. At that time, you just keep it here infinite. That's it. You just press infinite and always save. And if you go here, it keep on going. It will keep on goes. It will keep on goes. It will keep on goes until the page will close. Okay. So let it be like only 2 times. And there is one more property. Like if you want to go there, if it's going in a constant time, like 2 iterations for 3 seconds, it's going in a constant time. You want it like first it should go very fast. At the ending, it should go slow. Otherwise, in the first it should go very slow. At the ending, it should become fast. For that, we have another property like animation timing function. Yeah, second one, animation timing function. Like there are is in and out. See, if I type is in, out, is out. So let's go with is in. Go with is in. As you can see, at first it will go very slowly. At end it will go very fast. Have you noticed it? Again refresh. At first it is going very slow. At end it is going very fast. Because of this property, you can see that. And if I put is out, and at first it will go very fast. At the ending, it will go very slow. You refresh it once again, like this. At first it's going very fast. At ending, it's going very slow. And there is one more property is in and out. In, out. This means at first it will go very slow. In middle it will go fast. At end it will go again slow. Like if you refresh this, you can see in middle it's slow. Again. This type of thing. So these are some properties, and this is a delay, animation delay also. Like if I'm just opening this page, if I just refresh, within a second it's going. You don't want to do it within a second. You want some delay. After opening, after 10 seconds, after 2 seconds, you want it. So you can go with animation delay property. animation delay. Let it put off 2 seconds. At 2 seconds. Wait. Let me refresh. After 2 seconds, 1, 2, it will start. After 2 seconds, the animation will get started. So everyone is clear with these animation things? Like how these things work, at least by seeing the code. First we will give a name for the animation. After giving the name for the animation, we will take duration, how many time, for how much time it should run. After that we will take how many times it should run. These three properties are fixed, without this you can't. And after that we will access the our animation by using keyframes keyword and by mentioning the name and from where to where. Is it clear? And these are some extra properties which will give you some more idea, at least one.
Guys, just don't hesitate to unmute.
Hello, actually your
Anyone?
voice
Okay.
is breaking. At least you have any doubts, like what are pixels,
Just feel to attend.
like what is display flex? Anyone understand display flex? Actually this is a big concept. Display flex is an very big concept. To understand it will be hard. You all know display flex? Okay, let me just say what is display flex. Display flex will help you to create the content at the center of the page. As you can see, by mentioning only these three things, you can see this first box is just placed at center. If I want to keep the whole box at the middle of the page, I will keep it to the container itself. If I copy these things, Control C, and if I put here, okay, right here, okay, Control Z. Control V. Okay, let's do what it will happen. Control S for save. Okay, we will do document format automatically. Format the document. Okay, let's you guys explore just this display flex thing. I'll cut this. But basically we will use display flex and these three types of steps for arranging the center, arranging our content to the center, like flex box, it's coming in center. Even the animation is moving, first box is still in center. For this type of things, we will use display flex. So I want to move for the another topic, like transition and transmission. 2 more topics are left. Are you guys clear with animation thing, or you have any doubt? You can just see the code and you can ask.
No doubt, bro. Clear.
Then let me move for the another thing. And the another thing we are going to see is transition. Okay, let me create another file. Transition.html. Transition. Let's. Okay. Can anyone say? If you press Shift and 1, you can get this exclamatory mark. So if you just kept enter, automatically this whole code will be given to you. There is no need to type manually whole code. Okay, and this title I'll keep it as transition CSS, and let me save and close the previous one. Close just running. Let me close and go for live. Yeah, here you can see transition CSS, the title of our website. Okay, so coming to the transition properties, it's very simple. Actually, animation properties is the bit hardest one, and transition properties bit easy, very easy. Everyone can do it in very less time. Everyone can understand it very simple. Again, we will create a div element of class container. Basically, it's good to create a class of container so that we can use it for future purpose in class container, so that everything will be in under one box. If you create a class container and if you put everything in one another, the whole thing you are creating will be in one container, like one box. Okay, after creating one more div element, we will give a class, or what class should I give now? Okay, again td, and in this we will write something like basic things. Again, first box, let's go till first box, and control S for save. If you go to our website, again you can see a first box. The text you have written, you can see a first box. And let's create an style tag, TYLE style tag. In style tag, you can access the what we will do in style tag. Okay, let's give a background color for our TD class background color, let it be, let's go to it this time yellow. And as you can see, only this part is yellow. This whole part, this is our div element, first box. This whole part is yellow. And next, go with again display flex, and again justify content center, and again align item center. Control is for save. And again you can see the text first box has come to the center. Okay, by this you will be most probably clear. Till now, any doubts you guys have? Hello? Hello? Kunal, am I audible? At least.
Yes, you are audible. Yes, yes.
Okay, then let me continue. As we have seen some properties in animations, there are some properties in transition also. So let's go with some properties, transition properties. And transition property we will give like background color. Transition property, do like background color. Yes, okay. Okay, why it's not commanding? Yes, okay. Okay, let me type it. Okay, let it be. Correct. Again, the same properties will. Transmission duration again, as you can see, how much time it should. Let me give it for 1 second. And after that, again we'll go for transmission, same properties. Almost this animation, transmission, transition will be of similar properties, similar working, similar, all comes under animation only. Timing function, did anyone remember what is timing function, what it will come? We have used the same thing in animation file. What it will do, at least guess, random guess. Hello? Okay, let's discuss this thing afterwards. I will give you some time. Okay. Someone wants to say? Who wants to say? I think Mike wants to say something. Mayuk?
Yeah, hi everyone. No, I don't want to say anything.
Okay, then let's continue. Is the transmission duration like till what time the transmission should do? And let's see what are the changes we have done till now. Let's go to our website. Nothing has changed till now. Okay, let me give. Okay. Let me give hover effect. Like this is an option I missed. Hover. Basically, hover means if. See, actually, it's first box. If I keep my mouse, like if I hover it, so that you can see the thing. First, it was like this. After that, it became like this. Like in Amazon websites, also, if you hover on any movie you want to see, after some time automatically like animation delay, like we have seen animation delay 3 seconds, they will also apply animation delay for 3 seconds. After that the trailer will run. Did anyone notice that? Anyone? Media domain, Surya?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah, actually the autoplay is enabled.
Yeah, and Anjali Shah, Anjali. These type of things. If I move my mouse here, showing the effect. If I remove my mouse, again it's going to normal. This is the simple thing. For these effects you can give for buttons. If I give a button, the color of the button will change. Like see, let me give. If I don't hover, like if I just give .pd, I give background color as okay blue. Now let us see. First it's blue and first box. If I move my mouse on it, so you can see the first box. Like, and you can see it's smoothly changing. Like suddenly it's not changing. It's changing very smoothly. If I hover, very slow. If I remove these extra properties, what I have done, transmission property, transmission duration. If I remove this, the control / comment out, so you'll see it will do sudden transition, sudden change in color, everything. You can observe, right? So these things you can do in website. If you click, if you hover on some buttons, if you hover on some images, these type of things will happen. Not only background color, you can change font size, font style, the place. Here the first box is at corner. If I hover, it's coming in the front, like in the middle. These type of things, anything your wish. So is everyone clear with this transition property? If you have any doubt, let's see the code. And if you have any doubt in this code, just let me know. The properties will be, yeah. Hello?
No doubts.
No doubts. Okay. Almost the properties we use, animation, transition, transmission, everything will be similar. Almost 99% will be similar. Only 10% difference. And let's go for another topic. Let me create an answer. Let's name it as transform.html. Then let me create a HTML tag and let me give a title name of transform CSS. Okay. And again let me create a div element of class container. and inside div element we will create another div element. Let u plus Kunal. TD से both हो गया. And this time we will create box again. Let's go with box. I am a box. The control is for save. And let me stop the previous website. Let me stop this. And let's go live for this file. For this you have to install a live server extension. Without this extension you can't go. You can see go live. You have to install a go live, like live server. If you hover, you can see here, click to run live server. There is an extension live server. You have to install it. Okay, let's you guys see it. Just go. So it became I am a box and transform CSS of the website title. And let's add some CSS for this. Again, I have to include style. Style by okay. Again, we will take a container dot container what we will see. Let's give just random background color. It be blood and mode. Okay, and let's give it a height of how much we will give. Okay, let it be like viewport height of 80 viewport. And we have noticed like I have changed the unit. Actually, I used to give pixel and I have changed the unit. Actually, 80 viewport height means the size of the website. This is the size of my computer screen, right? It will cover up to 80%. You can take it as 80%. It will currently cover up till 80%. Like I will show you it. If you go here, it is covering up to 80% of the screen of my screen. Did you guys get? Everyone or anyone? Okay, Anjali. Anjali Shah. Okay, Leela. Yeah, okay. So, and let's see. Let's go to and let's create some transform property. Again, we will go with display flex. Okay, let's go with display flex again so that you guys will be familiar with this. And again, did anyone remember the other 2 steps after doing display flex? I just said 3 steps. For can anyone say no? Did anyone remember? Everyone. Let's wait for 1 minute. Just think, or at least search Google search and say. Are you guys doing it? Okay, then Surya, Appala, Sai Surya Varun. Can you say this one? What will be the next 2 steps? Varun. Are you guys hearing me? At least.
Yeah, I guess
Yeah.
we can ask us in the end. Yeah,
Okay.
just proceed for now.
Just proceed. Okay. After doing display flex, we will go for another two properties. That is justify content as center. The another one is align items as center. And the same thing we will go for Kunal. Kunal will be center now. Kunal, where are you sitting? Corner or center? Kunal,
I'm in the middle of my room.
middle of okay. Already you are center, and
Yeah.
I am making you again sitting in center.
Yeah.
Display flex and just justify content as center. You can go with align items as center. So the whole things will come in the center again. I am a box came in center and this but I have not mentioned the width now. Let me mention width for this. I have just mentioned height. Let me width with just 50%. Okay. Viewport width only 50%. You can give width height as viewport or anything. And if we will mix both, if I put dot Kunal for hovering, if I hover on Kunal, like if I put my mouse on Kunal, then what will happen will like over I hover on Kunal, then is a transform property, transform, rotate, let's rotate Kunal up to just 90 degrees. So if I come for this and if okay, let me refresh. If I hover, okay, it's not working. Let me check. Not working. Transform, rotate. Dot Kunal dot hover. If I control save, go here, refresh. Okay, that site got reloaded. Okay, let's see why it's not. Wait. 1 minute. Just figuring this out. Okay, let me just move on and let me apply some other properties and I think it will work. It should work after applying other things. Let's comment out this property and let's check it with other property. Transform scale by 1.5. So let's say go here. See, yeah, okay. I have given for box. You can see the text is becoming big. If I hover on the text, the texting is becoming big. If I put this property on the box, like container itself, if I put dot container hover, my bad, dot container hover, and if I copy this property, control C, control V, if I comment out this, control S for save, I go here, you can see it's rotating for 90 degrees. Can everyone see this change? Rotating for 90 degrees. Yep, right. And in the same way, you can increase this size like on x-axis. Let me show you. Transform like translate x, like for we will move some 200 pixels. Translate x, let will be moved. If I hover on this, see it's moving 200 pixels. What did I mention here? Yeah, 200 pixels. It's moving 200 pixels if I hover on this. And let's see other transform properties. Not only x, you can go for y also. If I copy paste this thing, C, Control V, I put y, and let's see y, capital Y. Oh, that's these three properties. See, it's going down. And you can say the above two properties are not applicable. We are overrating these two properties. These are not applicable. If you are writing this, these two are like overwritten. So those two are not applicable yet. It's not like you can give only one property. You can give more than one. You can give many things. Like there is a every shorthand property like transform. Like I will give apply all properties, whatever it is there, and I will give the same thing. We have some animation delay for 0.5 seconds, and is in and out like time function is in and out. EASP is in, like let it be till is in. Right, so control save, and if I comment all these things, there is no need to comment, like it will be automatically overwritten. So let me just comment out all the properties. Okay, I've kept it for box. Let me do it for container. Yeah, container. Yeah, it's applying for this box. So let it be. Basically, you have got the idea what is transition, right? Everyone, do you have any doubts according in this session? Like you can change this box into
So far, we've covered animations.
animation. Like let me say one more property like
Yeah. So far we like covered animations, transforms, and yeah.
you can say this box is in square shape, and if I hover on it, it should become some round at least 8-10 pixels. It makes some round, and if I hover on it, container, okay, box, let's see, go for, I will give this property for box, not for null. Will become round now. Okay, it's not applying, I don't know why. I hover, okay, let it be like these things will happen actually if I hover. Okay, till now you have any other dots until this color? Ground color dot. Okay, let me just not this class over. Okay, I will go to Control X, and so now if I for this, mm, mm, okay, then just for, okay, sorry, container, I think so. Let's add this for container. Confused now today. Let's refresh. Okay, only this thing is happening. Control S for save. Close this site, and we will open it freshly. Okay. Yeah, you can see some round is happening. Like, let me give. Okay, it's because of 10 pixel. You can't see. I will give it 100 pixel. So you can see round has happened, like square thing. If I put it on hover, the same property, I put it on container dot hover control. Let's hover. Yeah, control V, control S for save. Go. Now if I hover my mouse, so you can see the square thing has become some round. Now you can guys see, right? Everyone? Hello?
Yes, Krishna, you are on.
Yeah, okay. Is it clear for everyone? Like how I am doing this round property? Let me explain. There is a property known as border radius. So it will smoothen your ends. Like if this is gone, you can see there is a sharp edge like square box. And I have applied this property for hovering. It means if I put my mouse on this dabba, what you call box, if I put my mouse in this box, the properties will apply and it will smoothen until up to 100 pixel, whatever pixel I have mentioned, it will smooth up to 100 pixel. Now you guys are clear? This is the property I have kept under hover, border radius 100 pixel, right?